with my family and fall in love like they expect of me. Instead, I am alone, meeting witches in chestnut groves who say they are alone, but they are not alone. And they might treat you mean, but it don't mean a thing when you are hugged by your own skin. I cry in churches. I don't cry because of God. I cry because you hurt my heart, and the stained glass tears are fine within the divine. Yeah, my stained glass tears are fine within the divine, and I meet it with my suffering. And I meet it with my suffering. 'Cause I was so glad to meet you, and I'm so sad to leave it